Senior legal practitioners in Nigeria are expressing mixed views on why conflicting orders from courts of coordinate jurisdiction keep happening in the country. Some point to weak systems, others blame corruption, poor sanctions and political pressure. Trust TV's Shafi'u Suleiman reports.
Conflicting orders from courts of equal standing seen recently in the Kano Royal Dispute and the PDP National Convention now appear frequent in Nigeria's judicial space. Senior lawyers say the trend grows because some lawyers shop for courts they think will favor their clients. They argue that this, combined with multiple institutional gaps, fits the problem.
Political matters constitute only about 3% of the workload of the judiciary, yet they constitute about 95% of where injury to the reputation of the judiciary comes from. Why is this? It is because the judiciary is seen as a whipping boy of the politicians. Politicians are divided into camps. Because they are divided into camps, they have the wherewithal, the resources to make a loud noise when things don't go in their favor.
The public will want to know if A is for Apple. All courts should be saying the same thing. But where this court says A is for Apple and another court says no, A is for Orange, it becomes a problem. It erodes the public confidence in the judiciary.
Parties in high-stakes cases often try several courts at once to get orders that stop or push actions they want. Legal experts say this weakens the system and damages public trust in the judiciary.
The proper thing is for judges not to allow themselves to be used by politicians and litigants for their selfish ends. If a particular court has given judgment and the litigants are not satisfied with it, they should appeal. The Court of Appeal is there and they're almost all over the country, everywhere. It doesn't take time to get to Court of Appeal to file an appeal and pursue it. But to say, I don't agree with you, you go to Court B to go and say the same thing and then coerce that court to give judgment in your favor is very wrong.
We are not saying that there are not aberrations within the system, but it is exaggerated. We must learn to accept the result of the court. No Nigerian is ever satisfied with the result. He will always admit that they took money to the judge. We are not saying there are no incidences of corruption.
They note that bodies like the National Judicial Council exist to check excesses, but a slow response to misconduct makes room for what they describe as judicial rascality and forum shopping. The lawyers call for better use of technology to track filings, monitor court activities, and enforce standards. They also stress the need to appoint people with strong character and proven integrity to the bench. Shafi'u Suleiman, Trust TV News, Abuja.